We'd like to thank you for showing your interest in using Autobox DB. This video tutorial is aimed to get you up and running, but we'd be more than happy to answer any specific questions you may have directly at 215-675-0652. We'll start by setting up an Excel spreadsheet that's ready to run on Autobox DB using a one-problem univariate example. We recommend setting up a one-problem spreadsheet with column 1 as the date of your data. In this specific case, we're using monthly data. And column 2 as your data with the variable you'd like to forecast. Specify how many periods you'd like Autobox DB to forecast by leaving the column blank in those specific periods. For example, if you want 60 forecasts, create 60 blank periods in that column. Click File, Open, and select the appropriate problem you'd like Autobox DB to forecast. Our next example uses a multiple problems and causal example. This comes in handy if you'd like Autobox DB to run more than one problem with Excel, and we ask that you create separate tabs for each one of those problems. Organize your columns starting with column 1 as the date of your data. In this case, we're using daily data. And column 2 with the variable you'd like Autobox DB to forecast. In this case, we're using sales. Also, add however many causal variables you'd like Autobox DB to consider. We're using price and temperature to predict daily beer sales. Specify how many periods you want Autobox DB to forecast by leaving the column blank in those specific periods. In addition, we ask that you provide future values of your causals. Once you are finished creating your Excel spreadsheet, upload your spreadsheet by clicking File, Open, and selecting the appropriate problem you'd like Autobox DB to forecast. You have the option to forecast an entire spreadsheet, or you can simply run one problem. You are now ready to begin running Autobox DB.